In this video, I want to present you another tool for managing repositories, and it's the Advanced Package tool. It's Advanced Package tool. Sorry, this is a P. Or APT. APT works on top of DPKG. Sorry. This utility uses the base the base command for managing local packages, that is dpkg, but it adds an extra layer on top of it for helping us with the problems that we had when working with dpkg. Okay, and how it works? Well, it adds the difficult we had with DPKG and local installation of application is that we needed to find the packages files to manually install the dependencies and everything. So APT adds an extra layer on top of that, and it's the repository. The repository is something that is not local. It's not in our machine. It's something on the internet when we have information about packages that can be installed in our system. So when we want to install an application with APT, we run the command apt whatever. Then this is the package manager, APT. We have different commands. It's not only APT, but we will work with APT for the sake of simplicity here. APT, the package manager, access the repository or the repositories. You can have multiple repositories. We will see that. And here, this is on the internet. You need an internet connection for do that. For installing a local package, you don't need access to internet, but in this case, you need an internet connection. The package manager will search for the application on the repository. Imagine we were working with TeamViewer. If this application is in the repository, this application will have some metadata, and it will help us to install the application. It will have more or less the same information we have in the package, the version and some other information, and the dependencies of that application. And also, we will have the package in the repository. In this case, it puts RPM, but it could be a dev file too. We have here in the repository the dev files of all the applications that are supported by that repository, and we have also all the dependencies of this package. And then the package manager, with all that information, it knows it has the dev file of the application, the TeamViewer dev file. It has the list of the dependencies and the dev of all the dependencies, and it downloads all the dependencies to our system and installs the dependencies in the required order for all this to work. So it's the same that we did by hand. Remember that we were installing TeamViewer. For TeamViewer, we needed another library, minizip. We needed to download the dev file, install the dev file, and then install TeamViewer. Well, all that is handled by the package manager, and we don't need to care about the location of the dev file, the dependencies, and whatever. It's all managed by the package manager, in this case APT, the Advanced Package tool. So in the next video, we will see how to work with this tool and how to start application in an easier way.